Extra C, a civil society initiative, is exhorting excellence in extracurriculars since 2013. Through engaging pursuits like crosswords, quiz contests, and spelling bees, Extra C nurtures holistic development and enriches students' educational experiences. On 1st February 2024, Extra C and Crossword Association of Delhi organized an Open Crossword Contest at Jamia Hamdard in the national capital. Students from varied schools and colleges signed up for the contest. The event kicked off with an insightful workshop on cryptic crosswords, led by the renowned cruciverbalist Mr. Vinayak Ekbote, who guided participants through the art of cracking clues. Participants showcased their skills in written prelims and an exhilarating on-stage showdown. Harshul Sagar, Yashas Vatsyayan, and Aarush Ranjan, all from IIT Delhi, secured the top 3 positions. Additionally, Alisha Ahmed, Areeba Athar, and Yashveer Singh Baisla from the host institution demonstrated remarkable talent in a special category. The event was graced by esteemed dignitaries, including Mr. K. Srinivas, IS Secretary, Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of India; Mr. Vivek Kumar Singh, IAS, Development Commissioner of Bihar; and retired IFS Officers Dr. Ambasht and Mr. Amrit Lugun. The program was concluded by Vice Chancellor of Jamia Hamdard, extending his appreciation to Extra C for igniting the crossword movement in the country. Visit cryptic.com to stay updated about upcoming contests and experience enthralling universe of crosswords.